Hi, and welcome to the IIEP Global Campus. In this video, we will guide you through the easiest way to apply for one of our courses. First, go to the menu bar at the top of our website. Click on Training, and then click on Search Our Training Catalog. Here you will find all our available courses. Choose the one that best suits your needs and click on it. Once you enter inside the course page, you will find all the relevant information, such as the modality, the number of learning hours, the duration, or the languages in which the course is offered. Take your time to read all the information provided. When you're ready, click on Apply Now. You will then be redirected to My IIEP. Here you can either sign into your existing account, or if you're new, click on Register to create a new account. If you're registering for the first time, make sure to fill in all the required fields. Remember that you can change your language option at the top right. Once you are logged into My IIEP, you will see that the course application for the course you selected has already started. To proceed, click on Complete Profile. On this page, you need to fill out your training profile. In the application section just below the user profile, share your motivation to participate and choose your payment method. Don't worry, no payment is needed yet. Then click on Submit Your Application and you're all set. Your application will be reviewed and you'll receive an update soon. Don't forget to visit IIEP's website to explore upcoming events and other training opportunities.